Hello, welcome to A Mess in the Den, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 6. Let's practice the short E words. Meg, went, den, pet, yell, tell, set, red, mess, fell, wet, well. Challenge words. Began, drink, down, and A den is a relaxing place or a relaxing room in a house. It can also be a home for an animal such as a fox or a bear, but in this case it would be a room in a house that is more casual. Meg went in the den. She went to pet the cat. Matt went in the den. Matt began to yell. "Mom will tell you not to yell," she said. Ah! Meg set her red drink down. "Do not run by it. You will make a mess," she said. Make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen in the story? Matt ran by it. "Do not run by it. You will make a mess," she said. Matt ran and ran. It fell. The cat was red and wet. The cat was mad. Oh well. That's the end. Do you think that Matt is going to get in trouble? All right, see you again next time.